want Santa to bring you for Christmas?
Santa, give me a sandwich.
You want a sandwich?
Santa, give me a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
A true sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
A Thomas.
Oh, you want Thomas? Okay. Thomas and a sandwich. What else would you like?
Choo-choo train.
Choo-choo train.
Choo-choo train.
Okay. Let's get back to that sandwich. What kind of sandwich do you want?
Santa, give me a sandwich and more.
Oh, okay. You hungry? Is that why
you?
Yeah, that's Mommy. Are you hungry? Is that why you want Santa to bring you a sandwich?
My dad do.
All right, say, Santa, bring me my presents, please. I've been a good boy.
Give me my present. I make a boy.
What do you want him to bring the most?
Santa, give me the most.
Oh, okay. All right.
Santa, give me a most.
Give you the most of what?
Give me a hug.
Give you a hug?
Give me a hug.
Okay. All right.
Mommy, see.
Say bye, Santa.
Bye, Santa.